I love technology, but it can be a real pain in the backside. I have multiple cameras doing multiple things, but not always doing the things they're meant to do or I want them to do. It becomes very frustrating. When it starts to become more about sorting faults with the tech than writing, you have to start questioning, is it all worth it? The follow drone, HoverAir X1 Promax, is an awesome bit of kit when it works. I spent more time worrying about if the drone was following me or not than I did enjoying the ride. I gave up in the end. Packed the drone up, put it away, and concentrated on the ride, which after all is what it's all about. Hopefully I've now sorted the issues and I will try again, briefly. I may have to buy additional tech, HoverAir Sail a beacon kit, but of course that's more money, more tech, and I'm guessing more hassles. It used to be all so simple. The problem I have is that I like documenting my rides. So, for now, I persist. I ride out, I set up, and I hope for the best. If all else fails, I still have the ride.